Hey guys, welcome back to Troy's Garage. My name's Troy, this is my garage. In this video, we're revisiting the 2007 Toyota Corolla that we repainted. We're going to talk about the Vaseline trick that I used on the emblems. So one secret I learned from my brother Damien is to use Vaseline on all your emblems and whatnot, and in your keyhole. This is the easiest way to save yourself a whole bunch of time. This is the follow-up for that, and, well, let's get into it. Here's what the car looked like before we painted it. And here's what it looks like after we painted it. The reason that I didn't take the emblems off, you can actually take emblems off, use fishing line to kind of, basically saw them off of the car, and then you use one of these little rubber things on a drill to get rid of all the adhesive that holds them on. You can go through all that, or you can do this. You just have to kind of be careful where you're applying that. Use a Q-tip to get down in all the little spots and spaces and whatnot, but don't get any of that Vaseline on surfaces that you want the paint to actually stick. Now that the 2007 Corolla has been painted, it's had plenty of time to cure. It's time to put some finishing touches on it, and let me show you what I got. We've got to get the Vaseline. Remember, we put Vaseline on the emblems and the keyholes, and it's time to clean those off so that it's good clean. And looks great up against that new paint. And also in the front bumper, the Sport model has fog lights, but on this particular model there's supposed to just be these black covers. Well, I ended up buying just the black covers. Get those put on, it'll just add that finishing touch to the front end. This should be super fast, but let's get this project complete and move on to the next thing. Here's our black covers for the fog light holes. I'll leave a link down below. I got these from Amazon. They shipped, took about 3 days to get here. But let's get these things slammed on. I'll open them up so you can see what they look like. And they'll just clip into place and should be a super easy install. There they are, all opened up and ready to go on the car. They're just black ABS plastic. Well, I don't know if they're ABS or not, but they're black plastic. No need to paint them, although if you wanted to, I suppose you could. I'm just going to leave them black. They'll match the grille and the wheels. It'll kind of just tie everything back together. Oh, and the connectors are just literally plastic clips, so they should just pop right in with no screws or anything to hold them in place, which might be why they fell out the first time. That's interesting. Okay, well, so I've got the car up on ramps. I set the emergency brake so that the car can't move. Safety first. Don't do dumb stuff, don't be that guy. That'll give me room to get up underneath there and pop those bad boys in. Let's do it real quick. Wow, I didn't even need to put it up on ramps to do that. But man, that looks way more gooder. Tons more gooder. Really finishes off that front end. Let's get these emblems and keyholes cleaned off. So for this job, I'm just going to be using these little dental pick type of tools and a microfiber rag, and we'll see if we can get this paint off of there and have it look good. Looks so good. Such a good idea. Took about 10 minutes to clear the paint off of that one, just because I'm picking down in all the little creases and crevices, but that looks amazing. And again, it's not perfect because the emblem itself, I mean, the car has, well, a lot of miles on it, so this thing was not new to begin with, but up against that shiny paint, that looks really good. One more to go. I'm actually kind of glad that the Corolla letters fell off, because that one would have been harder to do. I mean, this one's going to be hard enough. Another 10 minutes and we got this one all dialed in as well. Looks good. Looks real good. So, two last things to finish out the 2007 Toyota Corolla. One, I gotta go get a car wash. We'll take one last final look at what it looks like. And the second thing, I got outvoted. I liked the black steel wheels on this car, just kind of how it looks. I like that look. I got outvoted in the family and in the comments by you guys. So I'm gonna go get hubcaps. And hopefully they don't look like flub caps. Flub caps. You heard me. I appreciate you guys watching. There's affiliate links down below for ways you can support the channel. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. I'm working on some really cool projects. Sneak peek, if you've made it this far in the video, you're a true fan. You deserve that. This is coming up in future videos. Already getting started on it, and I am super excited about it. I got a backlog of videos to get through to get us to this point. So subscribe, hang with me, we'll get to it. Appreciate you guys watching. This is Troy, Troy's Garage. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys in the next video.